it's removing the dead skin. You see? Remember, we cleaned this skin, but Dettol can definitely remove the damaged or the dead skin. Hi mamas, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I just want to talk about Dettol. Yeah, Dettol Antiseptic liquid. How to use Dettol and get rid of acnes, pimples, dark spots, and have this clear skin. But if at all this is your first time to click on my channel, please kindly subscribe, because Dettol can work well, but it depends the way you use Dettol on your skin. Okay, so, and Dettol, remember, if it's not diluted, it's not allowed to be applied on your skin directly, because it can burn your skin or irritate your skin. So always make sure that when you use the Dettol for the steps I'm going to be giving you, I have done a lot of videos concerning Dettol. Again, I have come out with another video to draw about Dettol. Okay, so but if at all this is your first time to click on my channel, please kindly subscribe. What is the kind of amount of Dettol should you use on your skin? So always make sure that okay, this is hot water. Yeah, it's warm water. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to be adding in my cotton cloth, as you can see. So at times always make sure that you steam your face. Steaming the face, it helps to open up the closed pores, the open pores, to close them. Okay, as you can see. Okay, so even in the chest, always make sure that you apply the Dettol after making sure that the skin is clean. Okay, as you can see. No makeup. Don't apply Dettol when you have some kind of makeup on your skin. Make sure that the skin is totally natural. Don't leave anything on your skin. Okay, okay, after that, then I have some left water here. Don't use Dettol before diluting it, so I'm going to dilute it. But what kind of amount? It depends on the kind of water you have before using it. Dettol, it can irritate your skin, so I'm just going to add little, because my skin is not. But if you have a irritated skin, get 1 cup, then add in 1 cover bottle. So I'll just add half of it, my water. So now it's ready. You can see. Yeah, so this is enough. So all you're going to do, you can again use the same cotton cloth. Then you can start applying on your skin like this. But remember, Dettol cannot be used on a daily basis. Not on a daily basis. You can't use Dettol every day. You can only use Dettol. But it's also good if at all you have some rashes on your skin, you have wounds, scissor wounds. It can also help to dry your scissor wounds. Okay, as you can see. Oh my god. Let me show you something. It can remove dots on your skin. Let me show you. You can see? You see this skin? It can remove the damaged skin on your skin. So keep scrubbing. You just have to keep scrubbing and scrubbing. I'll show you. I would take you direct to the bathroom, but the only reason I didn't take you to bathroom, just wanted to do it here. Now you can see it's removing the dead skin. You see? Remember, we cleaned this skin, but Dettol can definitely remove the damaged or the dead skin on your skin. So as you can see how it's doing it, you can see that, yeah. Let me show. Okay, let me change this side and you're going to see. You can see. You can see, yeah? So it's removing the dead skin. So you have to keep scrubbing if you're having, oh my god, just look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Dettol can do wonders on your skin. Okay, again I'm going to take another one and I'll change the side of my cotton cloth because I want to leave my skin clear and glowing. You see? So now you can see. With this guy. Mama. So how long can you keep Dettol on your skin after? Oh my god, I love it. Just see how the skin was dirty, so it can remove all the dirt on your skin. So after applying it, keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. After, take a shower and leave your skin clear. Then after, you can apply your moisturizer. So after 20 to 15 minutes, you can remove Dettol, you wash your skin, then you can use any kind of moisturizer or any kind of cream you're having to use on your skin. So your skin is going to stay clear, but don't leave Dettol on your skin. Dettol, it's not good. You can't leave it on your skin. Okay, don't leave Dettol on your skin. So after that, wash your skin, leave it clear, and you're good to go. So as you can see now how the skin looks like. So don't leave Dettol on your skin. Yes, Dettol will irritate your skin. You understand? Because it will just burn your skin, and if it comes through these skins of ours which are very soft, it will definitely burn our skin. So guys, love you all and see you in the next video. Ciao ciao, but please don't forget to subscribe and drop your comments if I don't have anything to ask about this video.